Are you struggling to access your files across multiple devices? Discover how Google Drive for Desktop keeps everything synced and accessible. Even when you're offline, let's get started. First things first, in order to get access to Google Drive, open a new browser and head over to this rectangle here. Click on it and select Google Drive from this portion. This is the interface for Google Drive. On this portion, we have new. When you click on new, there are options like new folder upload, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and others. We would come back to this later. And there is also home. When you click on home, you get to see all your files that you have in your Google Drive. You get to see the type of file. So when you click on type, you can verify if you have documents, spreadsheets, presentations, forms, photos or images, PDFs, and other type of files. When you select people, you get to see the people that are collaborating with you on a particular file. You also get to filter your files by using this option. You can use the location as well. So in case you want to locate a file, you can use my drive, share with me, start or trash, and you get to see your file. When you click on my drive, you get to see the main files that you are working on personally, files that you own. And then there is computers and there is shared with me. Shared with me option, when somebody shares a file with you, you get to see it by just clicking on this option. There is also recent, which shows all your recent files. And in case you start a file, it will be displayed here. We have spam and then trash. Trash is when you delete a file, it automatically appears here, but after 30 days, the file gets deleted automatically. Now to storage, storage tells you the capacity that you have that you can use. And every Google Drive, you have 15 gigabytes to use. If you exhaust your 15 gigabytes, you have the option to request for more storage by clicking on this option, or you can clean up space and delete some files as well. There is this option whereby you can download Google Drive for your desktop and use it. When you navigate back to home, you can select the layout that you want using this option. So in case you want a grid layout, you just select the grid layout and your files will be displayed in a grid layout for you. In case you want list layout, you go with this. At the top over here, you get to see this icon, and what this icon does is that in case you want to read your files offline, you can just click on it and check this option. Then your files will be made available offline for you to access. This question mark icon is for support. When you click on it, you get to see help, training, terms and policies, and you can send feedback to Google. In case you want to learn more about Google Drive, you click on this option. Then you get to explore more, learn more about Google Drive. In case you need help with an issue, you can click on the help, then you get to send in your request. This icon is also for settings. When you click on it, you get the option to get Google Drive for desktop, and then you get to explore some keyboard shortcut that is associated with Google Drive. This rectangle over here gives you access to all of Google apps, so you can scroll through some of them and check them out. Over here on this stretch, you can also access Google Calendar. When you click on it, you get to see Google Calendar, and then you can schedule your tasks over here. You can also take notes with this option. It's called Keep. You can create a new note by clicking on the plus sign, and you can say tasks for the day and select done. When you select done, it will be created for you. You also have tags. You can use tags to create a to-do list. In case you want to create a to-do list, all you have to do is click on this. Then you get to add your activities that you will be doing for the day. This is also contacts. When you click on contacts, you get access to all your contacts. And you can add more. You can add more by clicking on the plus sign. Over here, you get to see intelligent apps, work from everywhere. These are business essentials. These are apps to discover, most popular, top rated, and these are apps that works well with Google Drive, and this works with Gmail. Take your time and then explore some of this. In case you want access to any of this, just select it, click on install, you sign up. You can also hide the side panel by using this option over here. This is all about Google Drive. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again.